we all are aware that due to this COVID 19 pandemic situations, we all are locked inside our houses. In my view, this situation has not only brought drastic conditions but also brought a lot of positive changes in us. Do you think so? Yes, it is. Nowadays, we have become more health conscious. Like we are washing our hands very frequently. Whenever we are coming back home from anywhere, we are washing hands. Before eating meals, we are washing hands. We are not stepping out of our houses without a mask. And many of us have stopped visiting restaurant or stopped eating outside food. But why are we doing all this? Because we believe in prevention is better than cure. But are we really aware how are we going to prevent or make ourselves safe from this coronavirus? Yes, in real sense, we can make ourselves safe from this drastic infection by making our immune system stronger. What is this immune system? In simpler words, it is like an army. We have to make that army stronger inside our body to fight against a terrorist that is coronavirus. But the question is, how can we build a strong immunity or immune system? By eating a healthy diet, a balanced diet, or a proper diet. But what does a proper diet means? It means we have to include such food items or ingredients in our diet that will make us stronger, energetic, and with a strong immune system. Fruits and vegetables should be there in your regular diet. You can add a fruit juices, but avoid the market ready-made fruit juices because it is not good for health. Keep yourself hydrated. Means you should drink as much as water you can, at least 6 to 8 glasses every day. But water should not be replaced by tea, coffee, or cold drinks. You should only drink plain drinking water. Vitamin C is a very important, or you can say a key ingredient to build up strong immunity. So we should include such food items which is rich in vitamin C like oranges, amla, lemon, grapes, etc. Add more whole grains, nuts, which will add bulk to your diet and which is easy to digest. So I can say that not only the nutritional supplement or food is going to keep yourself away from the corona infection. It's the diet, it's the proper diet that will make you safe, healthy, and free from any kind of infection. So, you all eat healthy and keep yourself safe.
Parents and children, today I am going to brief about the diet during pandemic. As you all know that the whole world is going through the crisis of corona pandemic. So we should include some immunity boosting foods in our diet. First of all, a variety of fresh fruits and raw vegetables are to be taken, which will provide you adequate amount of vitamins and minerals. Secondly, whole grains should be taken. Whole grains like millets and like brown rice, wheat should be taken and included in the diet. They provide you a right amount of energy giving food which is known as carbohydrate. Then thirdly, proteins should also be included in the diet. If you are a non-vegetarian, then you can have meat, and if you are a vegetarian, we have plenty of options for that too. Fresh milk is to be taken for proteins. Then avoid starchy foods and salty foods in this pandemic. Children, especially for you, avoid junk foods at this time because they will just lower down your immunity. Then a plenty of water should be taken, like 8 to 10 glasses of water per day would be enough. Eat moderate amount of oil. In fact, you should prefer unsaturated fats rather than saturated fats. Let me explain. Unsaturated fats are your vegetable oil, corn oils, etc. While saturated foods are your like butter and ghee. Last but not the least, we should never forget about our Ayurveda, which is giving us 3 important points. First, have Chyawanprash in the morning with lukewarm milk. Secondly, golden milk, that means the milk with turmeric, should be taken. And thirdly, kada, in which in the boiling water you can mix kali mirch, dalchini and dried ginger along with a little amount of jaggery. So I hope this video is going to help you. Thank you, children.